Hello guys and welcome to a new video, and today in this video we are not going to do PLC programming or TIA portal. Today we're going to do something different. We're going to do some Python programming. So in this video I'll just show a little bit how Python works and do some two simple exercises just for fun to learn Python. So the first exercise we're going to do now is just how to program painting things and programming so that we can paint a circle, making a circle, a simple circle, just that. So first, and this is like you always use the same code like if you want to make a rectangle or pyramid or anything. So first we do is writing import turtle, then we have t equals turtle dot turtle. Then we have r, small r, equals 50, the radius 50. And then we have t circle r. So the radius the r is like the circle will be 50 something, and then with t circle, so t for turtle, the turtle is going to make a circle with the number of the r at 50. So then we just press that. Then we can do run module. Yes, so saved. Now you can see here, it made a simple circle. So test it again. No, can't test it again. So yeah, you can see very simple, very just fun if you want to learn Python, just normal, very good basics. So import turtle, t equals turtle dot turtle, then r equals 50, then t dot circle r. So we just make a simple circle. The next one we will do will be a different one. So we will be doing a like more advanced circle. We will make sure that in this programming it will be multiple circles. So we start from very little circle and it goes around bigger and bigger circle. It goes around for a very long time. So the first thing we will do is import turtle. For all the sorts of kind of like programmings in Python, you always import turtle. And then we will have t equals turtle dot turtle. Then we have r equals 10. Then we have for I in range 50. Then we have t dot circle r or no, wrong symbol. There. R I, perfect. Then we have t dot up. Then we have t dot set e. Then r I -1. And then we have t dot down. So here's the programming code in Python for making multiple circles bigger and bigger and bigger, big circle. So then we do run module. We gotta save it first. Save. Now run. So yeah, here you can see it starts very small and then it's going bigger and bigger. So like it starts from the beginning with radius r equals 10, and then the first circle is 10, then this small one, r radius 10. And on the other programming, when we just did a simple, just one simple circle, it was 50. So like 50 could be this one or this one. So yeah, you can see it just goes on and on and on until it goes stops going. So it gets very big. So yeah, this was a little bit short video. I'm going to do more Python related programming videos with just some easy fun examples. I know one video I will do soon is how to make a simple AI bot that can respond to different phrases and just doing other simple fun Python activities like random number or throw the dice, anything simple. So I hope you liked this video and learned something from them. And then I see you guys in the next video I will do. Bye.